Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So the Racers Grand Prix comes up on Saturday, the 1st of June. Yes, and it seems as though a certain athlete, one that has 3 Olympic gold medals, 4 silver medals, and 1 bronze medal, and 10, let me say that again, 10 World Championship gold medals, 5 silver and 1 bronze may be stepping out. I wonder if we no figure out who that be. Let me say it again. 3 Olympic gold medals, and I'm just gonna touch the golds because listen, these accolades are jaw dropping. Let's just say, let's just leave it there. They are jaw dropping, right? And 10 World Championship gold medals. When you figure it out, well, we don't know how track is stay, especially when it comes to our Jamaican athletes. I don't know the accolades them inside. Also, I don't know who me talk about. One legend when it comes to the 100 meters, the one and only Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. It seems as though she will be touching to the track for the Racers Grand Prix. Boy, when I tell you track is me excitement a overflow. Look here. Y'all know how it going on. Some of you want me to come on here, and talk about track and feel boring. It never got me. I'm always gonna be the ultimate hype girl for a Jamaican athlete. When our girls are stepping out, our men are stepping out, definitely I got hype them up. So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce steps out on the heels of Shericka Jackson and also Elaine Thompson. Here, look here, we did ask for the big three. We're looking at our watches on our calendars and saying, time had dwindled down. With them there, we need to see them on the track. Well, guess what? We see Shericka, we see Elaine, and now it's time for the one legend over the 100 meters, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, fi touch out and shell down the place. And it seems as though she had touch out, you know where? Do you know where? I said this weekend, allegedly, let me show that in. Allegedly at the Racers Grand Prix. Yes. Now, how did I come to, that thought process? Well, Usain Bolt has been promoting the Racers Grand Prix meeting on his socials, right? And he's been talking about the potential matchups to come and what is to look out for. And of course, I'm going to be touching on those potential matchups because I'm not going to lie, these races are going to be hot. The lineups that they have, yes, trackies, we are going to see some fire races. So yeah, just wait for me to go through those particular, start list and tell you how I think these races are going to go. But besides that, track is interestingly right smack in the middle of the promotion of all of these, head-to-head clashes that will be coming up at the Racers Grand Prix is Usain Bolt saying something very, very, very interesting. He said, and I quote, "The Queen is back." Yes, that is what he said. He said the Queen is back. Now look here. I can't, the Queen of England, because unless she's a vampire, like people are saying, that's the only way she'll be back. Right? So the only other queen Jamaicans know about clearly are queens in the sprints. And clearly, when we talk about athletes that we've already seen Shericka, we've already seen Elaine. I could have only one queen left. One queen left, and the legendary Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. After that, the queen in my top about. I can't no other queen. And of course, Jackies, it's making us super, super excited. Boy, me feel away now because look how me well planned seminar go a Racers Grand Prix and look how Shelly could come touch the track and come blaze up the track at Racers Grand Prix. I'm not even gonna get to see it live in our what will be her final year. Don't get me wrong. I will be going to the trials and I will see her there clearly, but I'd love to see all these last moments of her, definitely, especially locally. Enjoy those last moments, on her final hoorah. But anyway, we don't already plan seminar go, so it is what it is. I'm pretty much sad. Oh, you know what, let me get back into my hyped up self. So yes, that is what Usain Bolt had to say. And as far as I'm concerned, I could have only Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce he's talking about. Now, when he says the Queen is back, it could mean, multiple things here. That, okay, the Queen is back on track, meaning we haven't seen her for a bit. Now she's ready to touch the track. So now she's back to touch the track. So she's back, right? Or he could be saying she is back. The last time Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce ran at the Racers Grand Prix was in 2019. Yes. So it has been a minute. It has been a minute since Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has touched the Racers Grand Prix. And as I said, that was a whole 2019. How much years ago was that? 5 years? 5 years ago is a last time she touched the Racers Grand Prix, or probably just ran at one of these, local high tier meets. Let's put it that way. Was 5 years ago. I do know that she runs at like the development meets locally, but like this type of high class World Athletics meeting. Yeah, I don't believe she's touched one. And yeah, I believe the Racers Grand Prix was the last one she touched out at, and that was a whole 5 years ago. So here Usain Bolt is saying she is back. So not only is she back on track, but she's back returning to the Racers Grand Prix to give us a final farewell at that Racers Grand Prix before, of course, she takes to whatever meets that she has left leading up to the trials, and then maybe after the trials heading into the Paris Olympic Games. So that's pretty much how I break down, what I'm seeing here or reading here. But all I know is one thing is certain. I am super duper excited to see Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce start to track and show us what she's got in what will be her final year. And of course, Track, as you don't know, we're always going to be supporting her and cheering her on and wishing her all the best and expecting as well awesome performances. Now, clearly, we haven't seen anything awesome. So going off that, some of you will say, oh, we shouldn't get our expectations too high. Me sorry. I Shelly she name. I Shelly she name. I come out, come dash way, runner, come dash way 10.6. I make 10.6 look like say Anna nothing like Anna no news. Like it easy if you run. She can just get up out of her bed and brush off her chest and say, all right, me ready to go. And she drop 110.6. So when that the Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce they run and she come out and she drop a 10.7, you think say me I gonna expect Shelly to come out and just be like, okay, let me take my little time. If it happens, guys, it happens and it is what it is. But you don't know our girl. I'm gonna hype her up and she don't know if to come out and blaze and make the thing nice. So that's what I'm looking forward to seeing. So Trackies expect Shelly to come out and come put on a show. And you know she's the ultimate show woman as well. She knows how to bring the entertainment and the vibe. And that is exactly what we're also looking forward to as well when she touches to the Racers Grand Prix. Oh my God, now that I'm thinking about it again, I'm actually getting even more sad because I remember being at the Jamaican Invitational recently and the type of welcome that Mary Jose Talu got when she was being introduced. And I'm thinking about this is probably going to be Shelly's last local meet before, heading to the Jamaican trials. The type of vibrance that is going to be in the National Stadium on Saturday. Oh my gosh, it would bring right about now. I'm talking about it and it's bringing tears to my eyes. I swear to you. But just witnessing that, being in the stands and feeling the atmosphere and the vibe track is, oh my God, it would literally leave me in tears just to witness that moment of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce being introduced at the Racers Grand Prix on Saturday. Wow. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need to reconsider my plans and head on over to Kingston. I swear to you. But anyway, guys, that's my opinion. You know what I mean? It seems as though Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will be stepping out at the Racers Grand Prix. So we'll be seeing her on Saturday. Exciting, exciting, excited. Well, allegedly, we'll be seeing her on Saturday, right? But I am excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to turn up on Saturday? And two, I know some of y'all are going to be like, okay, let's not expect too much. Okay, tell me, what are your expectations now that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to be touching to the track? You know what I mean? Last time she came out at the Racers Grand Prix, she ran a 10.88 seconds. Since then, Shericka Jackson has gone to the Racers Grand Prix and rewrote what would have been the meet record there to a 10.78 seconds. Now that Shelly is going to be touching the track, allegedly, in her final Racers Grand Prix, you think so she go, they're going to say, look here, this was mine. Me, I make sure so I can keep as many records in my name as long as I can, records on the books. Do you think she's gonna go out there to snatch back that meet record? Let me know your thoughts. As I said, all I know is, guys, I'm excited. Win, lose, or draw, you don't know the tingo. We're Jamaicans and we're happy to see our athletes perform. Let me know your thoughts. Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.